We will now demonstrate installation and use of the three different types of walls that come with the Easy Up shelters. The first is the basic wall segment. Each of the wall types has 3 hooks at the top of the wall that correspond to 3 eyelets on the frame, one on each side and one in the middle. There are also Velcro straps along each side that can be used to secure the wall to the poles. It's easiest to install the walls with the shelter lowered. It can then be raised to finish securing the Velcro straps. The next wall segment is the window and vent wall. Again, there's 3 hooks at the top of the wall. Place each of these. Secure the Velcro straps at the poles. And then where the walls come together, there's a solid zipper to join the walls together. Start from the top. This is easiest done while the tent is still at a partial height. Once the height of the tent is adjusted, the remaining zipper and Velcro straps can be applied. The window of the wall can be opened by a simple zipper. There is mesh in place. The opening can be secured by rolling it up and latching it with simple straps. The vent wall is used when the tent is to be heated with forced air heat. Open the inner door, and then the forced air tubing can be brought in through this port. The next wall section is the door. Install the door with the 3 hooks at the top and secure the Velcro to the sides as needed. The door wall has 2 windows that are screened just like the big window. They can also be rolled up and secured with simple straps. The door wall has 3 zippers, one in the middle and one on each side. The middle can be used for just going in and out of the tent. If you want to leave one of the doors open, unzip the zipper on the side as well as the one in the middle, and simply roll the door up and secure it with the simple straps at the top.